kai Ghana ye fan hodie indeed ye fan hodie fan hodie ni should include every aspect of our lives ya bra boni mu nyina including ye nipadua san say ebi a ye nya fan hodie ni so nanso ya dwene mu no ye fan hodie no still enwie perio san say ene yama amanyosem akyekyere ya dwene ama o man no ankasa hodo no ya na efiri mu na ene mepese ye hwe ade kakra Jumedie bi akoso e wo London abrochima mu na ni nyina ye Ghana ye ruabafo mienu bi a wono mu atiku a wodi di dwuma se wodi beboaboa ma no na women empowerment on behwe se man so ebetumi agina yi na wono mu etumi abo won abrabo akọ animu na edin a wodi ato won dwumadie so anaso wokuo no eye women of Valour na ba namoa ene se wa mehwe ena omu di se adwumadie anim pa abaye ya woda so yi ana ere ya woda so yi na ba namoa bi se owo kasafidie so nti uta hu no pa ena se wa mehwe so ene kra no watumi aya wo ye lawyer ni utumi se mai eye ma obia wo ne nanso de ne mre yode obia wo ne mfomso a wa ye bre atwam odie nanso wo hwe wo mo enim de ne wo ma hoɔden a wo mo de kwa animu a eso ani se wo mutumi eboa ma no na wo ka wo abo no de wo adi dwuma bi Jeff I'll come there na me pese ye kɔ hwɛ odwumadi a wo no mo ɛhyehyɛ ya epie mu wo London na bra Facebook insha 104.5 menim se what bebre wo social media entokwa bi koso wo social media kyese manfo toto mane ye ho ene ohwe NDC amanyuku no mu anya asem ketwa na behwe event no kakra ade wenti ena sa ntokwa no ekoso. These are some of the things that ekoso ewo eho no mo a se adwumadie ni mu edan na die we eye ebra na sewa nana mama Brown epie mu ho na nana abana moaso present ni speech no nana Amama Brown one of the guests a wokoye a wono so kasa odwumadi no ase but this is where nana aba anamoa presentation yentie event ne kakra na me kan de beka
afraid that some crazy lunatic will cross your path and cause problems. You just don't know who you're going to meet at the front desk. So you are always afraid, but it's a decision to pursue fearlessness every day. Yes. Because the truth of the matter is that every woman in this room knows fear. So many times. It's the fear of starting all over again. It's the fear of failing publicly. The fear of being misunderstood. The fear of not being enough. Because there are women who just don't think they are enough. And then the fear of being too much. Because sometimes you are told that you're just too much. But what can you do about it? I've had the latter.
Eji we adwumadi na se no ma ekoso ho bi London abrochimam na wo mo organize adwumadi nti wo hwa empanifo bi a wo mo invite wo nipa be kasa na bi free Nigeria ebi wo UK ho na bi wo USA enti Jeff mame the other video no enti wo hwa wo se na Amama Brown no kasa adwumadi ase no so free Ghana enti wo mo frefre nipa bebre a wo mu fifiri amanhodo so na ebi kura so be hia mu wo London abrochima mu a na wo de sa women of Valour edwumadi no de ahyehye so na nia ama edwumadi nkenya de ha dwene kenya de ade bone na uko social media na wutie na NDC for amanyuku ni bi said ye wo mu si toto ensem bi de mane said die nti na Goldbod Jewellery a subsidiary of Goldbod. Goldbod ase no. Wono mo a sponsor sa adwumadi anase wo mo de wo mo ho ahye sa adwumadi mu. Na utie atemdidie ene no ma ekoso ama enam so ma Goldbod Jewellery Limited Goldbod ase wo mo na gold ye ndane ani a ye de ye agudie ni ade a de tru ye nsa de bi tru ye kom ni ade ni sa agudie ni nyina wo mo ne hwe se ye betumi adane wo man gold ani na ye de adi dwuma enche kra na asami jamfimu Goldbod wo mo launch sa ade ye wo mo de beboa so wo man ye mfa gold no raw enko ne ye bedane ani de aye agudie ahodo ne yetumi akoton anya muska na sa Goldbod Jewellery Limited yi wo mo de krata aba montia bechirim ne ntia wo mo de wo hu ko hyemu MD for Goldbod Jewellery. Ababeching. Now, or say, Goldbod Jewellery Limited is listed as one of the partners of this year's Women of Valour event because the company offered discounts on jewelry purchases to participants of the program as part of our ongoing Ghana Heritage Month promotions, similar to our Valentine's Month discounts. The company did not contribute funds towards the organization of the event. At Goldbod Jewellery, we focus on manufacturing and retailing timeless pieces of made in Ghana jewelry for our valued customers in Ghana and abroad. Goldbod Jewellery, pure, precious, proudly Ghanaian. Krata wonomode ba bonti statement e ba sa na eka. Na this is the fact. Jeff, I'll come to that step by step. Share sa statement omode ba abonti ya. They are actually focusing say almost say sa Women of Valour program na namba na moa ene se wa mehwemu die ni mo mkoye no London no. Goldbod Jewellery Limited ebe ye partners. In fact they say there are so many partners a wom amanfo bebre ka ho omo bo ase dwumedie no ebe koso but omo no so ebe hye mu bi. Na omo de ombe hye mu nya sika na omo be hye mu said ye o hwe social media as some of the NDC amanyokuofuo ni bi say ye the Goldbod sika ye the Goldbod sika na akoma sewa amehre ne nana aba na moa so omo mfa nkoye event omo emma na Slay Queen event bi na omo koye no London ene ye de Ghana sika dia ma omo na Goldbod Jewellery chim se omo mpagya sika bia ma sa emma yi se omo mfa nko organize omo program bia but the omo ye ne say omo di gold hu dwa enti Ghana Heritage Month ye di even Valentine's Day no omo tete Ghana gold agudie no a ya ye no so e mamanfo betoy discount sales even private companies kro mo ye omo tete so mamanfo to enti omo tete so se be ya womo e ton na mano ne ho no manfo beto no mehu se Ghana nso yetimi wo gold a agudie a ye papa a ye ton a eye yi anamanfo to a eye no musutimi bo hu dawru enti omo antam sika se sika abotene so omo de akoma na na aba na mo nyinko ye mu program, and that is the explanation. In fact, facts must override emotions. Ebetumi abase ebia umpe na na aba na mo asem because ebia in the past said you be claim no waka say tia the NDC anase waka comments bia fa NDC coming no ho a enye papa but untumi nyina eno so se umpe na na aba na mo asem ana bia umpe sa mejamfi asem anase umpe se wa mehri asem ana umpe MD a oda Goldbod Jewellery ano asem obeye oda no yi umpe na asem nti where there is facts no obeka so obebu ani agusu no aka ne se de wo pe ahama catcher say ejetuato ye ka ne se de tie no a the Goldbod Jewellery aka say they never gave funding to a Women of Valour program no nemum omu de omu hu hye mu kodi omu dwa se be ya omu beton omu gold enu ne hia omu ntino omu de ho e boss adwumadi no na mepese esua de kakra in marketing, in business se ye ton ye dwaton de ho ayi anase ye pese ye bo ho dawura ye will be a friend integrated a marketing communication etwase ye bo adwaton de ho dawuru ye ntimi enye gold ye ndane dane ani wo mamu na yen kan hye kokoam emfa nhye mpaase se ye wie ne de bia ye Goldbod Jewellery Limited na wo ho wa bra ye mo hu dawuru, and this ade a wo mo ye one of the strategic approach ye de bo adwatonde hu dawuru ti wo mo a e ka unimu no Goldbod Jewellery Limited enya mfumsuo bia so wo mo ko partner Women of Valour program a wo mo nya mfumsuo bia. It is one of the marketing strategies and I say business strategies are very strategic. A bit me promote to a mujumedino. Number one, advertising. In fact, say ye per se ye boy a jaton dear who the ra. Entina bebreba and an opera to second editor live a born a jaton dear who the room. Bebreba, dientia. They will use the media. They will book radio stations, television stations, internet platforms, ombeya billboards. Into who say will be a company for frano aye billboards wo krom na manfo twemo mu hu say oh say bibia ba krom ha ni nyina ye strategic. E kwan fa so boy adwaton de hu dawru. Etu be hu adverts bebrebe say be ya manfo hwe do na mu hu say bibi foforo bi aba. Your public relations where enipa adwena efa ade na wo ton no ho no ebi omfi se o we ebi aba wo betokra na enye papa enti wo be PR ekwan abefa so abeka asem no man be to manfo trim enti na companies be state agencies no more public relations officers no a wo mo ne bo adwuma no ho dawuro yie ne manfo ntiase no ma kyerem opinions amanfo anya perception bi a enya no ma clear ni nyina say be ya company no ho adwaton de no ebekọ yie it almost standing in to protect the brand's credibility and reputation. It did quite almost fast one way being so they say a do event be cost one sponsor. Now we do what tarry event in him. A big crowd no be influencer. No much that man now ambassador. Now or card the and once a me say by a man who to say the high sense or many a DJ high sense na mama brown a dear anyway. Etu hu say asemesi said the credibility tie no ontimi mebo ade a enye hu dawuro nkyere yen say no kra ba ne sa etimi ma amanfo agi ade ni tumprekope. There was another one which is the fourth one I want to talk about it me jump on fourth one which is sales promotion. Eno na Goldbod Jewellery e ka say omo eye e partner ya wo mo ye no ebi wa offer discount ade na woton no wobetete so wo bre bi mu se be ya nipa dodo no a beto enye se bi a wo boka wo na mo to wi a san se nipa dodo no na 20 wo to na ye papa san crofo kro no akoyusu wi a wo mbedi ho adanse ya ma foforo pii nso abeto etie no sa no biem atete so na nipa bebre atimi ato se be ya sa ade na ye papa wo mbewie no bedi ho adanse ye bekom ya bebre. And this is very strategic. Goldbod Jewellery Limited. Entimi hu obia sebe se bia nya tan na bia wo tan krofo edi animu se bia na ba na moa anase se wa mehre na wo tan no anase megya mfi na wo tan no anase MD for Goldbod Jewellery na tan no anase wo mpe na asem a ube have a problem with this their sale promotion and wo partnership. Companies be brave just to promote na ye World Cup we crack and perform be partner be sponsor just to advertise on products. That is how they do it. A marketing strategy, a strategy. Goldbod Jewellery e di ye adwuma. Enti na ni ase ya so mami o da Goldbod Jewellery ase ya so ne pa ase ye no NDC fo no asori na mumwa yen na mudi ye sika akoboa na aba na moa mudi mu sika akoboa sele queen fo dwumadi women of Valour ne ho ahwan. Why should we do this to ourselves? It's about national interest. Enti Goldbod Jewellery Limited na ya ye no woma target amano ne fo so omusu betobi enti yemfa ntra kromu asa. Unim what it takes to organize a program abroad. Unim the come and son what me organize a successful program ewa abrochi. Even abaya who do be cra fail to organize successful programs. But anya hwe kra no sa ema we mienu na ba na moa. Ene se wa mehere. Je for omo to so. Omo tumi organize a successful program which Goldbod Jewellery Limited who say woman no so ye jewelry sinti yemfa yenko partner. Na yemfa mo hu dawuro se be ya o mo beba ho ni nyina be hunu no we no eno bone be pa na o maye. You may hate them, you may dislike them, but what Goldbod Jewellery Limited did was not wrong. Ade ni yanyine Ghana ho ntiska na e be firi mu aba no se manfo oto na sika firi mu ba sika no anya bia ekọ na aba ho ana ekọ se wa mahiri butum. So omuto gold no say gold no omuto ye no ye diska no be hye na aba ebotum. Is it not coming to Ghana? Enye Goldbod Jewellery Limited foto mu na ekọ na say sika no bedam no o man ni nya sika free gold ni ton mu a enye no bi ene be mo man no yetimi ade abo ho bra ma na nyini enye no bi ene ebetumi anya dollars no ene pounds no begu kromu a foreign exchange no enye no bi ene edi be bia adwuma a wo tifie no a wo NDC ni supporter na atifie no a wo suo se wonya adwuma nye no enye se adwa no bi no nkodi o munya sika ne de ba aban no benya bi de bia adwuma na mo nya bia aye ade ne ye ho sa bibia anya ibia ne asom ne aye bibia politics wo kromu a. I agree say na ba na mo maybe we pass comments be in the past which be a political party who don't into no you don't like her. But don't mix it with this event. Don't use it to attack Sami Jemfini in Goldbod and a Goldbod jewelry. Omunyashi. Omunyashi, dear no my. I'm also now wait. Do you know what it takes to organize such programs outside? And the money be can munyai than to attack. Everything I'm able.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5 FM.